Hello guys, come back. Going to show here how to parent in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about start to drag an object. To take the object like a situation of rectangle, really is it going to be like to have some kind of progress that it watch it nest inside the frame, and you can adjust alignment of that. Okay, so you can adjust alignment of what is going on and use auto layout if you need, if you have auto layout, but this actually works with frames. This really, the auto layout maybe work with frame, sometimes it doesn't work over here. So that is already how you parent on Figma, or you can actually use some kind of plugins that is really parent. If you see right here, select parent or select or parent component, you can use one of these kind um, of situations or something that is really being on that, and that's all about.